Hello, howdy and welcome to What a Cowboy Wears. Last video, I went over my cowboy hats. Today, figured I'd work my way down and go over some jackets that I wear. Also, toward the end of this video, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new jacket with you guys that I have not seen or worn, and we'll check it out together and see what we think. Starting off here, I've got a Wrangler denim jacket. Every cowboy needs a good denim jacket. I love this one. It was given to me after my great-grandpa passed away. It used to be his, just like some of my hats that I shared with you guys in the last video. And what I like about this jacket is that it's light enough on those days where it's not really cold, but it's just cool, and you need a little extra layer. It's light enough to wear on those days, but it's also great for days like today. It's misty out here right now, somewhere around 40 degrees. And it's great because there's extra room in here. I can layer it. I have on a pretty thick workwear shirt under here and a leather vest and a pearl snap button up under that. And I've had plenty of room to put all that on, not feel constricted. I've been out cutting firewood. It's been no trouble. So yeah, I love this denim jacket. I have worn this jacket a ton over the last 3 or so years. It's starting to get some wear and tear. Some denim coming apart here at the cuffs and different areas in the elbows. But hey, people pay a lot of money for clothes like that. And I think it makes it cool, gives it some character, and helps tell the story of the piece. So this is my Wrangler denim jacket. I love it. Time to move on to the next one. This jacket is a WeatherCaster. No idea if this company is still in business or not, and I don't know when this jacket was made because, again, this jacket was my great-grandpa's, Papa Sonny's. I love this jacket. It's like a perfect combination of like warm but not restricting at all. I wear this one a lot doing chores around here at the ranch, and I just really enjoy it. It's really neat. You can zip the sleeves off if you want to and make it into just like a puffer vest. I don't ever do that because I got plenty of other vests I can throw on. But it's got inside pockets. It's got top pockets, side pockets, this zipper pocket here. This is really a functional piece, and that's why I love it. It's probably why my grandpa had it in his closet so long and wore it so much. And this one has definitely seen some use. It was pretty stained and tore up when I got it, but I love that because I know that my grandpa put this to work, and he'd be proud that I'm doing the same thing in it today. So this is one of my other favorites that I wear here around the ranch. I don't wear it a ton, just out and about because it is so beat up. Super neat jacket, and one that I get a lot of use and a lot of wear out of. So let's move on to jacket number 3. Real quick, before I tell you guys about this jacket, I want to invite you to come follow me over on Instagram at What a Cowboy Wears, same exact name as my YouTube channel here. We have a fun community over there, and I post a reel of what I'm wearing pretty much every day, as well as some cool old cowboy pictures and what they have on. And I just love old cowboys and real cowboy gear, so I post some of those up there as well. It's called What a Cowboy Wears, and one of the reasons I brought that up is because moving into this jacket is by Schaefer Outfitter. I love this brand. I love this company. I'm newer to their clothes, but guys, they make some seriously great gear to work and wear. And they actually followed me over there on Instagram at What a Cowboy Wears recently. So hey, thanks a lot, Schaefer Outfitter. Glad you guys are watching. This one is a waxed jacket. It's actually perfect for today. I had on that Wrangler denim earlier, but it wasn't misting when I was out cutting up firewood. Now that it's kind of misty out here, if I was still out just working and not shooting this video, I would probably switch into this one because the waxed keeps you dry, and it's not like completely waterproof necessarily, but it definitely repels water. And when it's not like a downpour out here, days like this, it would definitely keep you dry. One of the things that I don't actually like about this has nothing to do with the jacket itself. This is just all waxed jackets. You're gonna sweat when you wear a waxed jacket because they're just not breathable. That's what makes them waterproof, but also at the same time keeps out that breathability that you need when you work. And so really, this one, I don't wear just a ton if I'm going to be doing heavy, intensive labor, unless it really is kind of nasty out here. And then I wouldn't rather have on anything else. So Schaefer Outfitter waxed. It's called the RangeWax by Schaefer Outfitter. This jacket has an inside pocket. It has several outside pockets. We've got the ones on top, the ones on side. We've got this top button pocket. This one, you can slide your phone in. It's got a pencil pocket here. Really functional piece. It's not lined, so I do always wear something under it, typically my leather vest. But yeah, this is jacket number 3 from Schaefer Outfitter. I'll put a description to their website and the link below. You guys go check them out. I'm not sponsored by them at this time or anything, but definitely recommend their product. Jacket number 4 is by Master Supply Company. This is a rough out leather jacket. It's called the Field Jacket. This jacket has been phenomenal. I was actually gifted this to make some content for the brand, and the guys at Master Supply Company are some of the best. They are incredibly kind, awesome to work with. This video is not sponsored by them. I'm just telling you the truth about the company and the experience that I have had with them. They've genuinely been some of the coolest guys that I have communicated with online through social media. We've never met them in person, but they're always incredibly nice, supportive, and yeah, I'm a big fan of Master Supply Company. This is the Field Jacket, leather, full grain. It's warm, it's thick, it's not lined, which I think is great, because I can wear it without having to have like it be really cold outside. And when it is colder outside, I can just throw on things underneath and I'm ready to go. As far as leather jackets goes, I have never had a leather jacket from any company be as awesome as this jacket. And I'm not going to say that my leather jacket experience is extensive, but the ones I have had, none of them really compare to this. So I'm a fan for life when it comes to Master Supply Company. We've actually got a partnership coming up with them for a new jacket that I'm excited to share with you guys when that one gets here. But yeah, this is a rough and tough, ready to go to work in type of jacket. And I dress it up, I dress it down. It's got a really cool bison stitched collar in the cuffs. Can't say enough good things about this jacket. Thank you, Master Supply, for being awesome. For jacket number 5, I have another denim jacket. This one is obviously a different color, and this one's a little bit heavier, so I wear it more when it's a little bit warmer. Not that there's a ton of difference. I mean, when it's a little bit colder, not that there's a ton of difference in them, but it is different. This is not a Western or a workwear brand at all. This is a brand called Publish. They're more of a like streetwear urban type brand, but this jacket is really cool. I love this pattern that it has on the back, and I get a ton of compliments on this thing when I wear it out and about. Yeah, it's not going to be for everybody, but for me, I really like this one. This is just kind of a bonus jacket I threw in here for you guys. So let's move on to jacket number 6. Jacket number 6 is a Carhartt. I don't know a cowboy that could hardly make a video about their jackets without pulling out a Carhartt. These things are just made to work in. The duck canvas is a super tough material. You can get them stained, you can get them dirty, and they still just look cool. I bought mine secondhand, and yeah, it's been a great one for me. It came stained, tattered, and torn up a little bit, but that's never really a problem for me. I kind of like stuff that way. So yeah, this is my Carhartt. It's got like a Sherpa polyester type lining, 2 interior pockets, one that zips, one that velcros, and then just 2 outside slide in hand pockets here. Everybody knows about Carhartt. If you don't have a Carhartt jacket, I definitely highly recommend it. They're just great. So yeah, thanks a lot Carhartt for making great gear. This is an outdoor brand called Madison Creek Outfitters. They hit up Zena and I about doing a sponsored video on my other YouTube channel called Chandelier Ranch. That's like my family channel, ranching channel. And so they hit us up about doing a sponsored video for them with some of their clothes over there. They don't know that I'm doing this on this channel. They don't know that this channel exists. So this is not sponsored by them, but I figured since I have it, we might as well go ahead, open it up and see what it's about. And yeah, I'm excited to see what it is. They also sent my wife, Zena, a shirt, $145 pearl snap shirt. It's supposed to be really nice. And this is what I got. This is my first look at this, just like you guys, obviously. So this is like a nylon jacket. It's called the Shelby jacket. The color is Loden, L-O-D-N. I guess Loden is how you say that. And it's got a really cool microfiber suede type material here on the shoulders, down the zipper, piping on the pockets, and on the back yoke here. So yeah, this is literally my first look at this jacket. I've been super excited to open it, but I've been waiting to shoot this video. So Madison Creek Outfitters, if you guys want to see more about this jacket, make sure you go subscribe over on my other YouTube channel, Chandelier Ranch. I'll put it in the description if you want to see more about my life, ranch, and family and what we have going on. But yeah, let me put this thing on. I'm gonna have to stand up and get out of the frame here to do so. But I am really excited about this jacket as well. It's always fun to get new stuff to try out. So yeah, really lightweight, but I have a feeling that it's also going to be really warm. I've got a Velcro. Oh no, wow, that's okay, that's fancy. That's a magnet, a magnetic, yeah, you can hear that snap. Magnetic interior pocket here, that's cool. And one on this side too. So that's awesome. All right, so 2 interior magnetic pockets. Gotta be honest, I've never seen that before. So I'm very excited about this jacket. It has a double zipper for me, which is really important, especially if I'm going to ride my horses in a jacket. That's, for me, why I usually wear a lot more button jackets than zip jackets. Hold on, I don't know if it's gonna cover the mic. But yeah, I love having a double zipper for this exact reason. So when you sit down, you can open it up, and like when I'm riding a horse, I don't want a jacket that's like all zipped up and tight. I need room to move. So yeah, love this so far. My first impressions, what do you guys think? Oh, okay, those are magnet too. I wasn't expecting that. I thought they were just open pockets I was going to stick my hands in, but that's really cool because they just open right up when you put your hands in. You take them out and they close. Okay, that's pretty cool. You might be winning me over as a big time fan, Madison Creek. Appreciate you guys for sending me this. And again, this video is not sponsored by them. One of the videos over on Chandelier Ranch will be sponsored by them. But because this channel is all about what I wear, figured I would open it up here. And yeah, Madison Creek Outfitters. I'll put a description, I'll put a link in the description for these guys as well as some of the other jackets that I shared with you today. I hope y'all are having fun hanging out with me here on What a Cowboy Wears. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos and building a community with you guys. So thanks again for watching What a Cowboy Wears. I'm Colin, and God bless. Hello.